Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on TONKEEPER wallet. First thing you need to do is install TONKEEPER wallet app and create an account on it using your passcode or fingerprint. Then to deposit your money, you need to click on this buy and sell option. After this, you can deposit your money using different options available here, like you can buy TON coin, buy USD or buy note. So I'm going to choose USD option. So under the buy USD section, you can choose any of this option. I'm going to choose MoonPay. Then simply click on open MoonPay. Then it will take you to this page. From here you just have to enter the amount you want to add in this wallet. You can choose your currency. Then simply enter the amount you want to add. After this, simply click on this continue button. Before you deposit your money using MoonPay, you need to create an account on MoonPay. After this, simply enter your email here and it will ask you to enter your credit card number or debit card number. Simply enter all the details and complete your purchase. Then this money will be added to your wallet. And the next thing you can do is just simply click on this receive button and then copy this your wallet address. And after this, you can simply send money from your other wallets to this TONKEEPER wallet using this wallet address. That's all you need to do to add or deposit money on TONKEEPER wallet. Thanks for watching.